Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the Polkadot targets updates for zone 26. I would like to focus only on this local block. So around here, like 11 and $1. So let's focus on this one. I believe the Polkadot will reach the main targets, what I posted in last 2 years. Just a matter of time. But anyway, the Polkadot totally crashes all our dreams, and it's kind of great example how maybe the good hedge can be the good can be the bad investment. The good hedge can be the bad investment because if I already explained it to you, if the hedge so good and the hedge it could be the main driver of the price, the Polkadot could repeat the pump of Injective, for example, Solana, even Ethereum, or the Fetch AI, but Polkadot did nothing in the last 4 years, right? The Gavin Wood post the big Medium article about the great stuff, but about the milestones achievements of zone 25. There's the big post about attached sites on meetings and all of this stuff. But guys, you can read it, if you love to check everything about a Polkadot. But the problem is, guys, people don't care. People who invest in Dot coin, not in Polkadot like ecosystem. Because I personally never use the DOT and probably will never use the Polkadot in my regular life. That's why I'm a trader, I'm an investor, and if I invest in the DOT like a token, I totally don't care about the tech side of the everything what you post in this big media article. I care only about my investments in USD and my returns. So that's a big difference what people don't understand. And yes, the tech side of the Polkadot can be so good, the good milestones, the good achievements, the tech side, everything can be good, but not good in the price. And imagine the people who invested $10, even at $10, right? They now in losses like 500%. Yes, just to out of the break even. Because to out of the break even, 400, approximately 400. So that's okay. So you need to wait. So the Polkadot should pump 400 up to out only at the break even. With the attach updates or without opens. So if we talk about local zones, definitely the first trouble area. It will be the main first trouble area. It's $6.65. It's a yearly open of zone 25. So we can confirm if we ignore this dump in October. So the Polkadot ended zone 25 like in minus 75%. So imagine what are you doing all of this zone 25? What the roundup? What the achievements are you trying to shill people if you're talking dump 75%? What are you doing all of this zone 25? So it's kind of weird, guys. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And imagine if we count the week, 90% drop. So you could do nothing, right? And the result could be the same. That's why I don't know how the people still believe in that milestones, achievements, if your investment is going down like 75% or even 90%. All right, whatever. Now, let's close the opens. I already post, so I'm waiting a little bit lower. Could be good to see the Polkadot. If we will see the 61, $1.62 and 9, it's going to be the perfect test and the close the week of this October week. So this is a target, $1.63, around 63. So it can be the good, very small. But even from now, I will be more than happy to see this price action. But this is a zone and this is a zone. Honestly, I don't think so. We're going to drop under $1 again. But just in case it's possible. This is kind of stupid price action. This is so stupid price action because we got a like impulse correction. After that, some impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction again. So we go in, it looks like down, right? And the K moment now, it's go over then this high because this was a last impulse correction, impulse down, and we should break the structure, at least a daily time frame. If not, the roll will be open with this move or without this move to $1.63. Because to break the structure, we need to break the 250, 240 around. All right, EMA, if we close. And the FIB, this one, daily. So we're ready to test at 20, test at 50. So the next step should be 262. So this is a way what we have to see, break the structure, retest, go to a 200 daily EMA and go higher to start build the uptrend structure. If not, we can go like this one and even down. So guys, I don't see any bullish or any bearish signals now. We're just stagnating there without a volume. So globally, I repeat again, guys, I believe that DOT will reach the main target. I'm not extra bearish or extra bullish. I just showed you the current data. So here, the test of 20 EMA weekly, it's 279. Here's also 493, and the 200 EMA, it's 839. So all of these levels will be reached, just a matter of time when. But what I don't like, we waste a lot of time. We waste a lot of time with this tokens. Take profit, guys, indicator, we're ready. Retest at a buy line, but we can drop it again. Because here the test of exactly line is going to be $1.74. From a value of the Polkadot now is $1.29. I don't think so. Again, I will drop to $1.20 or even $1. Take profit 344. Exit line 388. Weekly test below fundamental value is 238. Exit buy line 319. Take profit line 633, exit line 716. So technically, I'm more bullish than bearish. 12 time frame, this is what I don't like. Here is $1.40. Honestly, I don't think so. We're going to drop to $1.40. So I repeat again, the most important moment now is to pass that $2.40. $2.40 to break the structure. Take profit, we can close. Let's double check ADZ direction dashboard. I highly recommend you use the indicator all in one place. You can save the space on your screen, at any time frame for any of these 6 indicators and track it. Bullish moments, guys, take a look. This is accumulation. So now, of course, it's logical. So we are in that $1.80. It's accumulation zone. Weekly also accumulation zone. Accumulation was here in March, based on direction indicator. So, but it was like, some bounces. So here was like accumulation 370 and 480 they cut out, right? But now we're in this, a little bit on the middle line, accumulation on ADZ. So for me, it's bullish. It's more bullish than bearish. Like usual, they run some AMA sessions, but no makes sense. I repeat again, people don't want to listen about the tech side of the Polkadot because it won't help the price. Weekly time frame, we're in capitulation zone, it's good. Monthly time frame, we're in the crazy capitulation zone since here, January 75. So it's bullish, it's extra bullish. Kind of weird, $1.80. And $1.80, and now it's disbelief. Disbelief on the daily also. All right, so we can close. And the last 2 indicators, money power. Some money inflow, yes, of course. Now weekly time frame 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row in December was money inflow. Now no money inflow. Let's add alerts again for money inflow on the weekly. And the monthly, yes, take a look. 1, 2, December and January. Now the money in Polkadot. So definitely it's not a time to sell DOT. So definitely it's a matter of time when we will bounce to 240. After that, take profit line, sweep equal highs, and go higher. So just a matter of time, guys. All targets I showed you. Write us in a comment, what do you think about DOT? Based on trade on indicator sell on the monthly was in zone 21. Here, this one. Now, no signals to buy. Weekly, this is what I don't like. On a weekly, we didn't see the signal to buy or at least take profit. So here was a sell, December 24. Now nothing. Daily, take profit was here. Buy, recommendation, close position, buy. Let's add alerts, another signal to buy. Yes. So guys, if you like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.